And I hope you now can see how much of a product junkie I am. This is really a lot of products. Hey girlfriends, it's Gabrielle Ishell, and today is going to be another video. And guess what, guys? You have been asking me, and this time I'm going to provide. I'm going to show you guys my product stash, and I have a lot of products. Product junkie indeed. So I'm going to be showing you, I have to organize it, but I'm going to be showing you all of my natural hair products. And I'm so excited to do this video because a few people have been asking me to do it. So I'm going to do it. But before we get on to the video, I'm going to need you guys to do one thing for me. That's to give me a big thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel and click the bell to ensure that you are notified whenever I post. And now let's get on to the video.
One eternity later.
So let's start by getting all of my products out from in my closet, and I have quite a few. I put them down here with my little cleaners. I need to find something to help me better organize these products. So this is where I originally put all of my hair stuff when I was not that much of a product junkie. I use this container here. I've had this for years, but once I started buying more products, I had to expand and get more containers, and those were in the closet that you just saw back there. But here are all my oils, and then I have my gels, my edge controls, there's some grease here, and then like heat protectant mousse type things here. Yeah, so let's take all this stuff out so I can see what we have. Oh, this is heavy. I guess I have to slide it. I was not expecting that. This is pretty heavy too. It's gonna be a workout. But wait, that's not it. I have a whole bunch more in here. This one's actually empty. Y'all, I am a product junkie. You can't tell me that I'm not now. You have proof. So I think it is beyond safe to say that I'm a product junkie. My Design Essential products here, the Garnier Whole Blends. This line I'm really excited to try. I got the deep conditioners in like 4 different scents. I got the watermelon, this one, what is that? It has aloe in it. And then I have avocado and then the papaya. Very excited about that. Then of course I have my Shea Moisture. I have the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. I have the raw shea butter line. I have the Power Greens line. I have 2 of these. I have the coconut hibiscus line. This is also the raw shea butter. Manuka and honey conditioner. I need to get the other products in that line. Then I have the Manuka honey and yogurt line here. And then here, I think I have the most Mael, maybe Shea Moisture or Mael products, but I have the pomegranate and honey line from Mael, the Babasu and mint deep conditioner and shampoo, the rice water. I have 2 of those products. Here's more of the pomegranate and honey. And then I have the new Hawaiian, this is new to me, the Hawaiian ginger line. And then I have the rosemary mint, a few products from that line. And then here I have some Aussie Moist, Aussie Miracle, Aussie Curls. I have 2 of these heat protecting sprays. I have this ORS color wax and it's in the color purple, so I'm so excited to try this out. You guys know purple is my favorite color, so stay tuned for a video on this. I got this for myself for Christmas. And then moving over, of course, I have a lot of Canvas Beauty. I have like 3 of the shampoos, 3 of the follicle boosters, 2 of the oils here. I have the Moisture Moolah line as well. And then the argan oil. This is really, really good. And this is also really good. I have 2 of these as well. This is the Moisture Moolah Galore Drench Oil. And I did reviews on most of these products already. But we have the glaze, the bloom glaze, and then we have a few of the deep conditioners here. And then moving down, we have, this is also black owned. A lot of these are black owned. On this side, these are all black owned. Design Essentials, Mael, Canvas Beauty, and then this one here, Sorenzo Beauty. I have their deep conditioner. This is a pumpkin, and this is rosemary mint. And then I have leave-in conditioner, jelly, moisture mist. And then I have Dove's line here, this company called Boldify. They sent me these products. I have a lot of Cantu products as well. And then these are the products that I got from Influencer, the Head and Shoulders Royal Oils, and the Surpreme line. And then we have the Carol's Daughter. I also got those from Influencer. And then we have this hair milk here. And then these are some one-off products in the front. So we have the Aztec Indian Healing Clay, and then we have the Wetline Extreme Gel, Dew Grow Hair Grease. And this is actually supposed to go with this because I'm supposed to be trying to see how long my hair goes after using these products for a month, and this as well, the sulfur. Then we have the Sienna Naturals, and this is the line by Issa Rae. I'm so excited to be trying these out. I'm actually using these today, and I forgot the oil here. This is from Dollar Tree. We have Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops, and then these are really good. I've been using them since I've been relaxed. The It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product, and then the Pro Vitamin Leave-In Conditioner. And then here I have these 3 products I want a giveaway. And the company is called Hair to Grow, right there. They sent me their growth mask, their hair and body butter, and then their hair growth oil. And then of course I have Eco Sour Gel, and then some aloe vera gel, some jam, Gorilla Snot, Eden Body Works custard, hydration custard. I have my Style Factor Edge Control, Selsun Blue for dry scalp, dry and itchy scalp. I have this random grease that I found in Walmart. It smelled really good, so I have my TPH Edge Control. This is the only product from the TPH line that I actually kept. The other ones I took back to Target. Then I have my Nairobi foaming lotion. It's like a mousse. And then moving back up, I have my shea butter. I have my Care line. I also want to give away on these products from a beauty supply store, and they sent me these. I did a video on that. And then I have some As I Am products. I have the leave-in conditioner and then the co-wash. And then those are from Target, obviously. And then these are also all from Target. I had a lot of coupons for these. So I have the Pantene Gold series, and I've only used the co-wash so far, and I have a video on that. But I also have the shampoo, the conditioner, the hydrating buttercream. This is like a leave-in, I believe. It's called the anti-breakage combing cream. And then the intense hydrating oil. So moving on to Tegan, TGIN, Thank God It's Natural. We have the Miracle Repair RX line, the shampoo, and then the deep conditioner. And then we have the conditioner from the, oh, this is actually a co-wash. Conditioner and detangler. So it's a 3-in-1. We have the rose water line. We have the shampoo, the hair mask, the leave-in, the gel, and then the curl refresher, all from the rose water line. And I think that's it for Tegan. Oh, we have the edge control as well. This is, I think it's papaya. Yes, papaya and agave. Okay, and then moving on to curls. This is a black owned product as well. We have the Blueberry Bliss line, and I already love this line, so I ordered a lot more. I've only used the hair wash and the leave-in, and those worked really, and the deep conditioner here. Those all worked really well, so I ordered the control jelly, the leave-in again. This is an oil, a growth oil, and then I got stuff from the pineapple, the Poppin' Pineapple collection. This is the curl mask and the leave-in conditioner, and then I also bought the curl control paste. I bought the liquid vitamins, and then I also bought this mask from, this is from the Curls Professional line. I didn't really know that, I just thought it was different, and so that's why I bought it. Oh, going back to Canvas Beauty, they finally sent me their leave-in conditioner, so I'm excited to try this one out. I think I told you about the Edge Base already. This is the Ajwa Beauty shampoo, deep conditioner, leave-in, and curl defining cream. And I think I hit everything. There's just a few more on this right side that I have to do. I have the OGX line. I really like this line. Shampoo and the conditioner in the Argan Oil of Morocco line. And then I have the coconut water shampoo, the coconut oil conditioner, frosted sugar cookie. These were on sale at Walmart, this one. And then the vitamin E shampoo. And then I also received these from Influencer. These are the Mizani 25 Miracle Cream products. So I have the leave-in cream, I have the gel, and then I have the oil. Then I have Aunt Jackie's products. I have the Not On My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy, and I really like this product. I used it yesterday to pre-poo. And then I have the deep conditioner, and then I have a flaxseed elongating curling gel. Excited to use that. And then I have some hair mayonnaise for protein treatment. I also have this Emerge line. This is from Target, and I didn't really like it when I was transitioning, but I want to try it again now that I'm fully natural. And then I received these products for free from Zion Health. I have the scalp and hair scrub, and it's really cool. It's like an exfoliator. And then I also have the foaming scalp detox. And then, I don't know if you guys can hear, but I'm so out of breath moving all these products. But anyways, lastly, I have the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. These are 2 deep conditioners. I got these from Sephora for my birthday. And then I have my oils here. So these are the ones I didn't want to take out of the container because they are messy. So that concludes this video. I have a lot of products. I'm actually going to count them right now because I'm very interested to see how many I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Obviously I can't even sit on my bed anymore, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These are all of my products. This is my product collection, my natural hair product stash. A lot of products. I don't know what number makes you a product junkie, but I definitely think I'm a product junkie. Please let me know in the comments below if you are a product junkie. And let me know in the comments below if you have any of these products that I have. I still want more. Like there are still a lot of brands that I want to try, but I need to finish up what I have here, so I shouldn't be buying any more. I know I keep saying that to myself, but in reality, I know if I see something, if it's on sale, I might just pick it up. Shaking my head. But anyways, yes, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and also click the subscribe and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until my next one, I will see you guys later. Bye. I have 4 here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is 200, 201, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 206 products.